Hi everyone, this is Johnson, teacher who you are familiar with. Today, I would like to share and discuss with you all regarding the correct steps in solving an equations which involve multiplications between a whole number and a fraction. Before we go into the topic, let me revise with you all regarding the structure of a fraction. A fraction basically contains two elements. First is the numerator, which is the number above the dash, and a denominator, which is the number below the dash. For example, 1 over 2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. When you deal with an equations which involve multiplications between a whole number and a fraction, what you need to do is you need to use the whole number to times with the numerator. And the answer you need to divide with the denominator. Let me give you an example. 30 times with 2 over 5. So the first step is you need to use 30 times with the numerator, which is 2. So the answer will be 60. After that, you need to use the answer, which is the 60, divide with the denominator, which is 5. So 60 divided by 5, the answer that you got is 12. This is how you all should do when you all try to solve an equations which involve multiplications between a whole number and a fraction. However, before you all try to go into the solutions of an equations like that, you all should have a mindset or some sort of mindset that I will call it as a mathematical sensitivity. How is this work? Let me explain to you. This kind of mathematical sensitivity works as you all should know that when there is an equation which involves multiplications between a whole number and a proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction basically is a fraction which contains a numerator which is smaller than a denominator. For example, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, or 2 over 5. However, improper fraction refers to fraction which contain a numerator which is bigger than the denominator. For example, 5 over 2, 7 over 3, 6 over 3, and else. Therefore, when you all deal with an equations which involve multiplications of a whole number and a proper fractions, for example, 30 times with 2 over 5, you all should know that the answer that you all will got should be smaller than the whole number, which is the 30. Which means that it is impossible for you all to get an answer which is bigger than 30. For example, 40, 50, 60. No, it is impossible. Therefore, what I want to say is you all should have some sort of mindset when you all go into solutions of the equation. You all should have mindset to find out or to think that what will be the answer which is more making sense, or what will be the answer which is more logics. So that's all from me. Thank you, and I hope to see you all on next lessons. Bye!